So, questions that yesterday I gave you skill testing as an assignment. Right now, class assignment 2 we have done, not done the class assignment 2, the skill test. An object moves through a certain distance. I think I explained this question well. Right now, an object has moved certain distances. You will see on the screen, an object has moved certain distances. Okay, can it have zero displacement? I'm asking the question here. An object have moved certain distances. There is an object which has moved certain distance. It travels some distance. He is asking the questionnaire, is it possible that it have the displacement zero?
Yes.
If yes, then give the physical condition. In what respect this will happen?
So in a circular
Exactly, on a circular path, even object will move. It's very simple. Just like along the triangular path, object move. This is a triangular path. Right now, object start journey from O. It go from O to A and A to B and again B to O. It just come here. O to A to B and B to O. This will reach to O again, right? So this is what we can speak here. It has moved certain distances, but displacement is zero. Why? Because the definition of displacement is the distance between the initial and final position. What is its initial position? O. And after journey, what is its final position? O. So change in position is zero. There is no change in position. So the definition of displacement is the change in position is called displacement. The distance between initial and final position is called displacement. And we can speak here the shortest distance between initial and final position is also called displacement. Is that clear? So it can be happen if the path is circular also there, not only triangular. The path can also be here what? The path can also be here this what we can say quadrilateral path. The path can be quadrilateral, and the path can also be what? Circular. If an object is moving on a circular path, then displacement after every revolution will be zero. Is that clear? Now look the question next and give support your answer. Means give assertion for support your answer. So you just have given example. What you will write the answer as? Yes, it is possible. The manner of writing answer I'm telling you. Yes, it is possible. And the assertion you will give if an object is moving along a circular path. Stop this. After every revolution, each revolution, its displacement is zero. See the question second also. Which of the following is true? Which of the following is true about the displacement? You may see this. Which of the following is true about the displacement? First, it can be zero. About the displacement, it can be zero. No, it cannot be zero. No, it can be zero. So it's a false statement about the displacement. And its magnitude greater than distance? No. Its magnitude can be equal to distance, but it cannot be greater than distance. How? Listen here. Can you give the physical aspect and physical conditions of a displacement equals to distance? Physical aspect and physical conditions when the distance and displacements are equal.
In coordinated.
No, it's not a correct. You are not thinking that actually, right now. Try to think. I'm asking the question. Please listen very carefully. Is it any physical condition possible? Means you just have to give a physical reference. Physical happening. Yes, sir. This is happening right now. In this case, the distance and displacement will be same. The same I'm asking. Any physical aspect. An example you can give that the distance and displacement will same here. Tell please what.
Distance and displacement.
When object moves along a straight line, then distance and displacement will be same. Is that clear now? What? Like this is. Suppose this is a straight path is there. Also in case of train generally moves in a straight line. I'm not when the distance is short, then the motion of the train is a straight line. Between the two stations, this is not straight because sometimes train takes the curved turn. Is that clear? It takes the curved turn. So curved turn it will take here. It means that what? Obviously. So when an object moves along the straight path, then the distance and displacement appears same. For the next, rest of motions are relative term. Explain. You need to explain relative and motion term. How this is relative? Relative term means I gave an example like that. Yes, you and your friend both are sitting in the train. Suppose this is the this is what we can say the bogie of a train. Suppose there is window here. Is that clear? If your train suddenly starts right now, then you just imagine something, some body gets shaked right now. So you just seen that in yourself that your train has been started right now. So you see outside the window right now, and seeing outside window, you confirm that your train now started. Is that it? So what actually you see outside the window, that it makes you confirm that, it made you confirm that your train has been started. So actually your tea stall and the trees and the plant and platforms, everything is going back. You seen that your train is now started. Is that clear or not? So what we can speak here, it means that your train is why your train is in the motion because, and now stop this, off the curtain of the window. Is that clear? And now see, you and your friend are sitting in the same right now. You look at your friend. Is she in the motion? No. And the whole train is in the motion. And you look at her, obviously, is she in the motion? No, she is not in the motion. Now, your friend is now outside the wagon, outside the bogie. Is that clear? She is now just in the platform. And now again the train starts here. Now look at her, your friend. Okay? So if you will look at your friend, then what? If she is in the motion appearing? Yeah,
Yeah.
she is appearing in the motion. Why? Because
So, but
obviously
she is not in motion.
she is in motion right now, and ask her, and she will tell you whether you are also in the motion. It means that what we can speak here, she is appearing in the motion because you are in the motion and she is in the rest. And for her, you are appearing in the motion and she is in the
Rest.
rest. Exactly. So it means one can appear for other in the motion if both are in the motion or in the rest. Like you both are in the train, you both are in motion, you both are in motion, but for each other you are not in the motion. What we can say, speaking. So the three things are required to state the motion. Three things. One is observer, second is viewer, first is observer, second is object, and third is frame of reference. What is called a frame of reference in physics? This has the great importance in physics, the frame of reference. Suppose there is a belt in the space, belt, belt,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
right? There is a belt in the space. In this belt, you and your friend are standing. Is that clear? Tell me please. Who is she and who is he? Who is she and who is he? Tell please, left or right?
She.
Can you search the geometry of she here?
Yes, sir.
Where is that?
Right.
Right. That's good. I just have drawn here the Bhopu like structure left
Your
and
drawing
right.
is too good.
So listen here this. So the you and your friend, right now, and there is a space here. Nothing else is there. No tree, no land, no mountains, no people, no anything else. Nothing else there, right? Only belt is there, and the color of the belt is black. Is that clear? And everything else in the space is black here. Nothing you can see there, right now. And the belt is completely moving in this direction. Can you experience yourself in the motion? No.
No.
Why? You just see outside the window and see the sky. You just appear in the motion. Can tell me please? You see, you just feel in yourself whether you are in motion? No. Why? Because the whole earth is in the motion, right now, and you just see the stars. You just see the star. You seen that the stars are in the motion,
No, really.
and whereas your earth is in the motion. Is that clear? Not? You see the sun. The sun is in the motion. You appears that, right? No, but the sun is not in the motion. It may be, but your earth is in the motion. So what exactly the motion is? What? She is in the motion because you are in the rest, and you are in the. Is that clear or not? Means every object which is in the rest will appear the other object
In motion.
in motion, right now. So we can speak here motion and rest are the relative terms. Again, you and your friend both are sitting in the two trains, the two parallel trains are here, and the two parallel trains are moving in the same direction with the same speed. You look at her, look at your friend, nothing else you see, only your friend face you see. Is that clear? So both the trains are moving in the same direction with the same speed. at equal time they travel equal distance. So will you appear the in motion to your friend, or your friend will appear in the motion to you? Obviously no. Why? Because you both are in the motion. You both are in the motion, as you are both are in the rest with respect to each other. Is that clear? So what is the concept here of the motion? So what exactly the motion is?
There should be one
The
observer.
three things are there important: observer, object, and frame of reference. Means of what you are comparing. Here, your observer, your object, and the room is frame of reference.
Yes.
The frame of reference, object and observer both are inside the frame of reference. That's why they are appearing
In rest.
at rest
At rest.
for both, for each other. Is that clear? Now, a viewer is outside the frame of reference. Viewer is outside the frame of reference. Okay, so you see the object. Now what is your frame of reference? Now your frame of reference has been changed. Why? Because you are outside. Now your frame of reference, the whole room, whole train is your object with the with your friend. Okay, and your frame of reference is land area. Outside the tree is there and the other people are there, and now the train is in the motion. Again you again you your friend is appearing in the motion. Is that clear? Why? In both the cases your friend was in motion, but in the second case she is appearing in the motion. Is that clear?
Yes.
Is that clear? What is that? So
Yes.
how the motion and rest are relative? Motion and rest are now, so far we have discussed obviously, and the question is coming for the 1 or 2 marks. So what you will write exactly the main point is. Okay, so we will write the answer as motion and rest are relative as one object is at the rest, then the other appears to him, to it is in the motion. Is that clear? And it compare the motion of the object with surroundings. Is that clear? So enough, you will just write here. So the object which is at the rest with respect to surrounding, the object which is at the rest with respect to surrounding, it will experience the other object in motion. Is that clear? If listen here, the earth is your frame of reference. You just stay outside here. The house building, the trees, the man, the mountains, are they appearing in motion? No, because we all are in the motion. Why? Your earth is in the motion, and on the earth, your tree, your hill, your rivers, your land area, everything is in the motion. So nothing is being appeared in the motion, and you just in the sky. In the sky means in the we can say in the space you are, and you are just watching down. Your earth is in the motion. Is that clear? And everything is appearing in the motion. So main thing is frame of reference. The same concept is used in the motion picture. Right now, one one artist just sit in the car and just get the moment of this, and just make an acting of this right now, and the background just set in the motion here. So you seem that the actor is in the motion. Is that clear? So this is simply the what we can understand it is. You just have to show appearance of motion of the actor. So one of them you can set in the motion. You can set in the motion the actor, or you can set the motion the surrounding. If the surrounding and actor both are in motion, so you will see at least means to for making the appearance of motion, at least one of the actor or the surrounding, one of them is to make them as motion. Is that clear now? So what is that? Is that clear? How they are related? Next is a truck is approaching to at rest. A truck is approaching a person at rest. The person is at rest and the truck is approaching him. Right now? Is the person at rest relative to truck? No. There is person, there is truck. Truck is going here. So between them the distance is what here? Means for yours, for yours, for yours vision, the person is at the rest. But is not asking for yours vision. Is asking for truck is approaching to us. Is the person at rest relative to truck? Relative to truck. Will you please tell me in this manner? So the distance between them will change here, right now. So if relative to truck, the distance between them is getting changed here. There's truck point, there is person point, right now in this manner. So what we can speak here? Relative to truck, it is not in the rest, it is in the motion. Now next is define the distance and displacement. Can you write the definition here? So that day I told you this concept here about the questions I gave you these home assignment form numericals. You may see a body is moving in a circular path and complete one revolution in 4 seconds. One revolution in 4 seconds. What is the displacement of the body?
Zero.
A body is moving in a circular path, right? This is the motion of the body on a circular path. It completes one revolution in 4 seconds. Exactly, it takes 4 seconds. Here look please. That is the circular path. Right now, and it takes 4 seconds to complete the one revolution. What is the displacement of the body? After 4 seconds is not asking here. Is simply being asked here, what is the displacement? The displacement after 2 seconds can be not zero here. Listen here. The question is improper. Right? How? The questionnaire is not asking you after 4 seconds the displacement. But it's a common sense we generally speak. When we make any mistake and we not give the right clue, then we speak the common sense. Right now, we are unable to give the instruction to the children at home and he makes some mistakes, then parents says it's a common sense. Right now, when the children make the mistake in the school and the teacher always says it's a common sense. This is not a fault by them, right now, that they have not given the right instruction for that. Right now, this is the mistake, so I should not speak this before the camera right now. So what is that? So you may see this here. Object is moving circular path and it completes one revolution in 4 seconds. One revolution in 4 seconds. What is the displacement of the body? Obviously after 4 seconds, common sense, right now.
Zero.
So it's a zero. And but
That's
after
why I
2
said
seconds,
zero.
but after 2 seconds, no, I'm just not saying you replied wrong answer. I'm saying there is some mistake in the questionnaire. Is that clear? The displacement should be asked after 4
4
seconds.
seconds.
And the questionnaire is not asking after 4 seconds. It's asking what is the displacement. Is that clear? So displacement after 2 seconds will not be zero. But next please. A particle moves distance of 3
Sir,
kilometers
what
toward
will
east.
be the answer of that question?
Zero.
Zero.
It means you are not listening carefully.
No, sir, but zero is a displacement after 4 seconds, no?
Yes, 4 seconds. So same thing. So much I explained for a 1 minute here, giving example in schools, giving examples at home, right now. So what is that? The question number 2. Answer 2. What is that? A particle moves a distance 3 kilometers toward east. I gave the reference here. Whenever you're writing on the board or the copy, right now, always the upside we take. The upside we take. You have not seen the video.
So what? No.
The direction. It is the physical reference also is to be taken here. This
Yes,
is
sir.
north. This is south.
South.
It's east, or it's a
West.
west. Right now. So please tell. Particle move distance 3 kilometers toward east. So it's going east 3 kilometers. Started from O. O for origin.
Origin.
Right? 3 kilometers is going in that manner. Okay. After that
4 kilometers.
4 kilometers
North.
north. Up or down?
Up.
Up 4 kilometers. Then it's B. After?
It's an example of a car in video.
Yes. And after that toward north.
Find
Yes,
the total
fine.
distance traveled by the particle.
So what is the displacement? OB is the
OB
displacement.
distance.
Okay. So technique of writing answer. First question. What is that? Find the total distance traveled by the car. Total distance
3 kilometers.
traveled by the car. What is total distance? I think it's OA plus what? OA plus AB. So can you write the answer here? What is that? 7. Clear? And the what second is here?
The net displacement.
Net
of the
displacement. Why the word net is coming? Net displacement. Net displacement. What is net displacement? The net displacement is what here? O to B. The shortest distance between initial and final position. OB. So how can you find out OB? What type of picture, a geometrical condition is there? A right triangle is being formed here.
Yeah.
Because you're taking it a sharp turn. So right turn, right triangle, okay? So the hypotenuse is to be found out here. And hypotenuse means OB. So how can we find out OB? That is OB is equal to under root of what? It's a OA square plus AB square. The three terms are making here Pythagorean triplet. Okay. So can you find, ever remember you, when 3 and 4 comes as a perpendicular base, so 5 will come the hypotenuse. You will calculate and obtain the 5 will come here. Is that clear? So look the question number 3 also. What is it saying? Imagine yesterday you left your house at 6:30. These all are not the question for according to purpose of examination view, but it's making your clear view about the motion. Is that clear? Imagine yesterday you left your house at 6:30 a.m. for your school. After completing the journey 3 kilometers, you found that school was closed. Obviously, there you have gone on Sunday, right? So journey 3 kilometers, you found that your school was closed, and come back to your home at 7:45. Is that clear? Right now, so find the total distance and total distance traveled by you. What is total distance traveled by you?
3 kilometers.
No, total distance traveled by you.
OA plus total distance from going the home to school and coming from school to home.
Home back. How much is this?
6.
6 kilometers. Okay. And your final displacement. Final asking it means obviously after total time. What is final displacement? Exactly, the final displacement is 0 because you go to the school and come back home from the school, right? So your initial position is home and the final position is also home, right? A body is moving along circular path of radius r. What will be the distance and the displacement of the body when it completes half a revolution? Half a revolution. Can you tell me this one? The answer number 4.
Body is moving along a circular path. Radius r.
There is circular path.
The distance or displacement.
Right now, suppose the body start journey from A, right now, and it's half a revolution. Where it will half revolution? Just opposite diametrically. Half revolution means just it reaches to a point, directly opposite diametrically. Clear? So it will reach to the point B. Okay. Its initial position, it's a final position. Is there the displacement 0? No, the displacement is not 0. What is the displacement?
A to B.
Diameter.
Diameter.
A diameter is what here?
R.
Radius. Shut up. You double of r. Double of r. That is 2r. Right now. So what the question is asking, what will be the distance and displacement of the body when it completes half a revolution? What will be the distance? Distance will be, so answer. Distance. What is distance?
A to B.
A to B, but along the arc. So what shall it be? If it will complete one revolution, so this length is said to be 2 pi r.
2 pi r.
And here is
Pi r.
pi r only. Is that clear?
Yes.
Now this the displacement is what here?
R. 2r. 2r, yeah. Diameter.
That is what here? A to B.
A to B.
It's chord or it's an arc.
R.
So what should it be? 2r. It's the
2r.
answer. Clear guys? This is the method of writing answer in short way and giving complete information about the answer. See the next question, what is it? Skill testing. What is skill test? Define the displacement and give its unit. The displacement is measured in, always we speak the displacement 3 what?
D.
The unit of the displacement. We speak 5 displacement. What 5?
5D.
5? No. 5 is, you just tell the displacement. The physical quantity always measure with unit. What is the unit of displacement? What nonsense. Really is a poor condition. This is the first time that in my class the people not speaking, the students are not speaking the unit of displacement. Oh my god. Right now, really बुरे दिन आ गए. कौन कहता अच्छे दिन आए? Is that clear? What is, tell me please? The unit of the displacement is meter. Okay. There are 7 fundamental quantities. Is that clear? 7 fundamental quantities are there. Fundamental quantities. Fundamental quantities. Go on writing this fundamental quantities. 7 fundamental quantities. fundamental quantity. Seven fundamental quantities. What are seven fundamental quantities? First is mass, length, okay, time, temperature, current, electric current, that is electric current, amount of substance, intensity of light, intensity of light. Interesting. These are the seven fundamental quantities you see. Mass, length, time, temperature, electric current, amount of substance, and intensity of light. How sparkling the light, how bright the light, this is also measured. Okay. So these are the physical quantity. Okay. And units have been defined for measuring the each quantity. On the unit is, how many system of unit are here? Four system of unit is there. SI, four system of unit are there. SI system, MKS system, CGS system, or FPS system. Okay. So always the unit and SI system is accepted. Clear? So what is the SI system? SI unit of mass is a kilogram. Shortly spoken as kg. And the SI unit of length is what? Mass. Sorry. SI unit of length is meter. Meter. And it's m. And SI unit of time is what? Second. It's S. And temperature is what?
Celsius.
No. It's Kelvin. And it's written as a K, capital. Electric current, ampere. And it's written as A. And amount of substance is mole. That you will study in the next chapter, third chapter will come. It's represented as mole. And intensity of light is, the unit is what here? Candela. Right now? And written as a CD. Clear? Here this is candela. Candela. Clear? See, these are the seven fundamental quantities are there altogether. Okay? Remember it please. So length, breadth is length, displacement is length, distance is length, height is length. This is all length are here. This is to be measured in the meter. Clear? So remember you please next time. The mass, and the mass is the matter in the body is said to be mass. Mass and weight are not the same thing. You are having mass or the weight above the surface of earth. You are having weight. Your weight is your actually weight. The force exerted by the earth on you. This is called weight. And your mass is what? Your mass is less than your weight. Is that clear? So what is? So the question is, what is the SI unit of displacement? Meter. Is displacement scalar or vector? No, I'm just second thing. What is scalar and vector? On the basis of this quantity, physical quantity are of two types. The first quantity are said to be scalar, and the second quantity are said to be vector. What do you understand by vector? On the quantity on the basis of what? The magnitude and direction. On the basis of magnitude and direction. The quantity have only magnitude, not the direction. Okay? Only magnitude. Have only magnitude. So quantity are said to be scalar, and vector have
Magnitude
magnitude and
and direction.
direction both. Okay, are called vector quantity. So how can you know the quantity having direction or not? Is simple here. If the body goes here, displacement is non-zero. If the body goes here, the displacement is zero.
Zero.
If the body is the displacement zero? No. But the body travels same distance. If the body what comes here, change direction to the same position, it's zero here. It means on the magnitude of any physical quantity, if the direction makes an impact, directs give its impact, then the quantity is said to be vector. Right now, your what is the mass in your body? Obviously, whatever. Suppose your mass is 40 kg. I will weigh you. You will weigh your mass. Is that clear? By sitting on the balance, your weight come 40. You just stand on the balance in this manner, your mass will come 40. You just become slip on the balance here, your mass will be 40. You just become invert on the balance, your mass is 40. Right now, you can sit on the balance like in this manner, your weight is 40. Means your body direction changing will not affect your mass. Means mass cannot be affected. Mass cannot be affected by changing the direction. Then such quantity are said to be scalar. So scalar are those which have not. It's simple. This is mass I gave you. Your mass on the earth is same. Your mass on the moon is same. But your weight on the earth is different. Your weight on the
Moon is
different. So weight is a vector.
vector.
Because weight is a force. But mass is not here. So these you may see, these all quantity are here scalar. These all are scalar. So how the vectors are made here? Displacement is vector. Is that clear? So vector and scalar, I told you this. On the basis of direction and magnitude, physical quantity are divided, classified in the two sections. Has only magnitudes, have only magnitude and direction. Some quantity which have direction only, not the magnitude. Have magnitude only, scalar. Have both, vector. Have direction only, all called tensor quantities. Tensor. Right now, note point. They are called tensor quantities. Tensor quantity. Can you give example of tensor? Yes, pressure. Pressure. Right now, the pressure equally distributed in all direction without changing its magnitude. Is that clear? Direction changes but magnitude does not change. Your heart exact pressure, left, right, okay, left, right, front, back, above, below, right now, up, down, equal pressure it exerts, but does not change, is changing direction. Okay, so magnitude of pressure is changing, but the direction is not changing. Magnitude of pressure is not changing, direction is changing. So these are quantities said to be tensor. You will study these details in 11th class. Clear? So you may note down this vector and scalars. You always have to be appreciative in class. Just take your pen on the notebook and immediately note whatever is important. Just okay. Always try to write your pen on the notebook. This is a good habit of not taking anything else in.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so your assignment, you'll please solve this. This skill test is there. You may see the skill test is before you. Okay, and wait a few minutes. I just shall give you this. just studying it, okay, and then we'll do it. Okay, it's enough here for the day. Thank you. It's nice time.